Hi, I'm Paul Hughes. I'm the Senior Cyber Instructor here at Code Nation. Being able to sort of protect and understand a little bit about cybersecurity is very important. One thing you've got to do is just look at the news, and there's a breach pretty much every day, and they're costing companies millions of pounds. They're also costing jobs. If we look at the personal aspect of it, imagine someone taking your identity all because your password was weak or because you clicked on that link on an email. Having the understanding about some of the basic things that you should and shouldn't do online was really useful skill for most people. We work alongside the businesses to develop exactly what they want out of a junior cyber professional. We've had a lot of success stories here at Code Nation, and one that springs to mind is Jack Vayne. Got a security analyst job at Sainsbury's, and a major company like that picking up someone really good.
With my role at Sainsbury's, it's access management that I'm doing. The cybersecurity course was really good because we touched on a lot of stuff to do with management, managing users so that they have the right level of access so they don't cause problems to systems, and that was really helpful. If you're kind of considering a career in cybersecurity, then I would definitely recommend this. It's one of those things, there are a lot of different roles out there. Cybersecurity doesn't really get touched on enough, and I know that a lot of people are shouting out for cybersecurity experts. So this is perfect for it if you're wanting to get a taste for it and find out if this is for you, which it definitely was for me.